Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a wallet to Dex Screener. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Now first up, go ahead and open up any browser, or if you have the Dex Screener app, go ahead and open it up. Now in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead over to dexscreener.com. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, tap on Explore, and then here, go ahead over to Portfolio. Tap on it. Down here, as you can see, it asks for a wallet. So just tap on Add a Wallet, give the wallet a name. For example, I would like to connect Phantom. Okay. Now, it's going to ask for the wallet address in here. So just got to open up your specific wallet. And again, in my case, I have a Phantom in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Receive. Let's say I would like to connect my Solana, copy the address right here, go back to Dex Screener, add in Phantom, maybe /Solana. And I'm just going to paste the wallet address. Okay, tap on Add Wallet. As you can see here, it says success, your wallet was added successfully. And here you have it. You can go ahead and tap on Remove if you want to, rename it if you want to, and to add in another wallet if you want to as well. But that's just basically it, and that is how you add or connect a wallet to Dex Screener. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.